If you're seeing the Gmail error Posix96, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that often solves the issue quickly. This problem can happen when Gmail is having trouble connecting properly, and one of the most common causes is a VPN or browser extension interfering with the connection. We're going to remove the VPN extension completely, then re-add your Gmail account so everything reconnects cleanly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Chrome and look at your extensions. If you use a VPN extension, the important step here is to remove it, not just disable it. A lot of people make the mistake of turning it off temporarily, but leaving it installed can still cause background conflicts. To remove it, click the extensions icon in your browser, find the VPN extension, and then click Remove next to it. Confirm the removal if Chrome asks you to. This ensures the VPN is fully taken out of the browser and not interfering with Gmail anymore. Once the VPN extension has been removed, the next step is to refresh your Gmail session by signing out and signing back in. Open Gmail, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and choose Sign Out. After you've signed out, close the tab if you want to be extra safe, then go back to Gmail and sign in again using the same account. Enter your email and password carefully and complete any verification steps if prompted. Re-adding your Gmail account like this helps reset the session and can clear connection issues that trigger the Posix96 error. In many cases, this gives Gmail a clean start with no leftover browser conflict from the VPN or extension. Once you're signed back in, give Gmail a moment to load fully and check whether the error is gone. If everything is working again, you're good to go. Your Gmail should now connect normally without throwing that Posix96 message. If the issue comes back, double check that the VPN extension is completely removed from Chrome and not still installed in another browser profile or device. That small detail can make a big difference. I hope this quick fix saved you some time. If it did, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.